20B motor. I am so excited for this. You know, I was lucky to find this motor. I have to give a big shout out and thank you to Renee, who is selling me one of his babies. He, you know, has, I think, 2 or 3 20Bs he was holding on to. And after meeting with him and kind of telling him my plans for this motor, he agreed to sell it to me. So thank you so much, Renee. Shout out again to Garage Life. Like always, I would not be doing this without Garage Life. Today's the day that the 20B project officially kicks off. So let's start at the motor. This is it? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but this is it. It's complete.
So how did you get this motor? Like, where did you find it?
I bought it from a Japanese supplier.
Yeah, because you were talking about how you used to be one of like the main people importing them.
For a while, yes.
Yeah. The journey of the 3-rotor begins. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited for sure. So this one is this is Series A, late Series A.
Yes, automatic transmission too.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's missing transmission.
Mhm. Oh my god. Man, how long have you had this motor? You've had it for a while, right?
Yes, a couple of years.
And I'm lucky. He's selling it to me, which is like that's a huge deal. So, thank you.
Welcome.
I know this is like one of your babies.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have a couple.
I had
a couple 20Bs.
not more. This is the last of it. That's it. No more.
Well, I am hoping to make you proud with this motor. You have a 20B in your FC?
Yes, I do.
Right? So you have like the crazy peripheral port.
It's a semi-peripheral
20B.
port, 3-rotor, single turbo.
I'm not gonna have the only FC in the US with a 20B in it because of this guy, but at least I'm buying my motor from probably the only FC right now with the 20B in it. I mean, I haven't seen any recently. Like,
I guess you can say yes.
you have the only FC 20B?
3-rotor so far as a drift car. I mean, there's some out there, but I've had it for a while like this.
So I can't claim that I'm gonna be the only FC 20B out there, but it'll be me and you. We'll be the 2 people.
You can tell by the way it just feels.
That it
See
spins
that?
good?
Yeah. So normally, you know, like a rotary guy, they'll just check it really quick and they're like, oh, okay, that's pretty good. You know, that's a couple of pulses and you feel the flywheel have tension.
Yeah.
So most of the time, that's a good sign. And when you feel the motor just free spin, something's wrong. Maybe carbon lockup, apex seals are flat, or it could be a lot of things.
Mm-hmm. One of my first plan was to rebuild it. You know, we're gonna go through it and redo everything. Maybe put like a small street port on it, just to start. But already in getting it, like the first thing we're gonna do is take it apart.
Should have fun.
Almost to Garage Life. I'm showing up with a 20B, tacos, because it's Taco Tuesday, and beer. What more did you want? The motor is at its new home. We're just gonna unload the motor now and start the tear down. I'm not even kidding. Like, is this real life? I can't believe I have a 20B sitting in my garage right now. So we got the motor here. I officially have a 20B for my car. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just tear the entire motor down. So since I'm not reusing really any of the hosing or most of the lines, I'm just gonna cut a bunch of that stuff off, take everything apart, lay out all the parts and go through an inspection, make sure everything's good, and from there, make a plan for the motor. I'm almost done clearing the block now. I had to go get some more tools, and I'm rushing because we're about to go to the dyno to tune this really awesome FD. Before the sun goes down, I'm just trying to finish clearing the block so we can see the 20. Almost done. very late, so lost light really quickly, but I got pretty much everything off. The only thing that's left now is taking off the front cover and the flywheel, and then we can start to tear the motor down and inspect all the pieces and make sure we are good to go for this 20B rebuild. I am so beyond excited. I can't believe I have a 20B sitting next to my car in my garage. That's crazy. Again, huge thank you to Renee for making this happen and selling me his motor. Thank you so much. And like always, thank you to Garage Life. I would not be able to do any of this without them, without their help, support, and guidance through everything I've been doing with this car. And thank you to everyone who's been watching this crazy journey. I cannot wait to get this motor in my car. I'll be doing the rest of the teardown and everything in the next video, but I wanted to shoot today as I finally have the motor, and I cannot wait to see what we do with this 20B.
Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning